Welcome to Great Safe channel. In this channel, we will show you the testing machine operation. Now, I will show you mattress rolling tester. This apparatus is for the determination of the mattress durability during long-term use. Apply for testing standard ASTM F1566. It can also apply for EN 1957 by changing the roller. The operation has English and Chinese interface. First, put the mattress onto the lifting platform. Move the side support profiles to the mattress edge. Measure the length and the width of the mattress. Input the testing requirement and the mattress dimension. Then, lift the lifting platform to the top. Test specimen's height accommodated by raising up the lifting platform. The best advantage, not only to suit a wide range of mattress specimens, but also can test with bed base and mattress combination. The lifting platform can eliminate the deformation of the load guiding mechanism. All right, press start and the test will begin. Through our innovative drive design, makes the machine operation smoothly and quietly. The machine will stop when the testing cycle is finished. Thank you for your time. If you like our video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and you will get the latest testing machines information. See you on the next video.